Start square right, square left. Good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Turn square right into square left. Tightens and 2 right short. 30. 6 left. 80. 6 right and square left into 2 right short of a crest. 80. Right of a crest. Into 4 left short and right of a crest. And 3 left sharp opens into 2 right short of a crest into 5 left. And 6 right, keep in, and 3 right short, opens, 40. 5 left, 40. 3 left short, and slide left, brake, into late 6 right, over bump. And late, square right, half long. 30, 1 left. 70, 1 right, opens. 6 right of a crest, slowing, and right of a crest, 30. Late, hairpin left. And 5 right, 5 left, over bridge, 40. Crest, sudden 4 left. Keep in, into 6 right of a crest, 30. Water splash, into 4 right sharp. And late, 1 right. 40, left of a crest, and 4 left of a crest, 30. 1 right short, and left of a crest, 30, and slight left, long, through junction, into 4 right short, 30, crest, sudden 3 left, 50, caution, square left short, into 6 right, tightens 4, half long, and 4 left, half long, into turn, acute hairpin right, to 4 right of a crest, and 1 left over bridge to square left. 80. 5 right short over crest to 1 left, don't cut, opens into crest, sudden 2 right into 3 left sharp, opens 30. 6 left into 6 right and 3 left short over crest and late 2 right and crest, 40. 3 right of the crest, and 4 left, tightens, through junction into crest, sudden slight left, 70. Late 6 right, over crest, keep out, 50, turn, square right, 40. Square left, 60, left over crest. And turn, square right, short, 40, over bridge, square left, into 1 right, 40. 5 right short, 80. Unseen, 3 right, into crest, 60. Turn, 2 right short. And 6 left, long, into 5 right of the crest, don't cut. And bump. And 3 right, opens, into crest, 30, 6 left, opens, 70. 6 left of crest, long, tightens. 30, 5 right short, to 5 left, through dip. Into 6 left of the crest. Into sort of 5 right, tightens of a crest, into slight left. Into 5 right of a crest, long. 70. Slowing, 6 right to the crest, into 6 left, and 1 left, half long, into bridge, into 3 left short, 40, late, hairpin right, opens. 50, 6 left of the crest. And slight right, into crest, and slight left, long, into small jump, 50, crest, 50, slight left, slowing, 40, turn, hairpin left. 30, left of the crest, sudden slight right. Into crest, 60, crest, and 6 right, keep in, 70. slight left over bumps, into crest, 30, jump, to 5 right, through dip and 4 left, into crest, 40, 4 right short, past junction, 50, 6 right, to 3 left, half long, 90, 3 right short, 120, over finish to stop. Okay, that's a 5 minute 40.5.